Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you see behind me, we got the almighty Thumpstar pit bike, and I have some bad news. A few videos ago, I took this through a pond and pretty much flooded the motor, and I did tons of oil changes. I cleaned the whole carb, took the gas tank out, tried to do everything I could to try to get this thing running perfect again, but I think the day has come that I blew the motor. I know. So this is a sad update video. The Thumpstar, she got a blown motor. I'm gonna ride around and show you. She's just, I think maybe the water messed up the valves or something, because every time I try to ride her, she just starts bogging out, and she just ain't the same, bro. So if I have any advice for you guys, it is do not take your pit bike through a pond, because she ain't gonna run the same, and I learned the lesson the hard way. So yeah, let me walk around the pit bike real quick. I know, guys, it's a sad day for the Thumpstar. I'm gonna put my helmet on in a second, and I'm gonna show you how she's riding. It's pretty freaking rough. All right, we got the helmet on. We got the blown up Thumpstar right here. Let's see if she'll even start, bro. Oh my God, come on, Thumpstar! Come on, Thumpstar, bro, stay alive. Stay flipping alive, bro. So as you've seen, the bike's running, but like, I'm full throttle right now. Like, it's not running. Like, it's running, but not running good at all. And I have literally, I think I blew the motor up, because I cleaned the carb, I cleaned literally everything, and it's still just running so trash, bro. It's so weird because the bike idles fine. It's just when I give it gas to like go, it just, like, this is full throttle, it just, the power ain't there no more. It just wants to bog out, and I don't know, it's not good. You hear these, like, it's making these weird like pops, and it just turned off. It's a sad day, bro, for the Thumpstar, dude. Like, we've had so many adventures, and this bike has held up so flipping good. Like, literally all the parts on this are stock pretty much, and like, it's been so strong, bro. Like, it's ridiculous. But the day has come where she finally, she's gone, man. It still wants to go, but like, watch, like, first gear is alright. You see how first gear is like chilling? That's why I'm like, is she really blown? Because like, first gear is ripping. I just don't know why all the other gears ain't going, dude. Whoa, look at this bone. What the hell? Dude, look at this. What the flip? That's weird, dude. The bike's running like 50%, and sometimes it works like decent, and then other times it just doesn't want to run at all. It's freaking weird. Alright, let's see how she's... Bro, you see how it bogs out for a second? And then it rips again. It's like, what the hell? Alright, we're in third gear. Let's see if she... Alright, she's getting a little better. The more I ride her, the better it gets. Like... See, now she's chilling. I don't know, guys. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update of the Thumpstar. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe you guys can help me out. Like, sometimes it runs decent. It's never been how she used to run. I feel like something's wrong with inside the motor. Like, you hear it? You can hear, like, it wants to go, but it's like, It almost sounds like a dirty carb, like where it starts bogging out. I don't know, man. But if y'all know what's going on, please leave me some comments down below and help me fix this thing. I might need Thumpstar just to send me a new motor, bro. I destroyed it by going in the water, man. I shouldn't have tried to go underwater with a goddamn pit bike, man. I knew it wasn't gonna be good. I just did it for the content, man. They always say do it for the content. Bro, first gear is like the only... It's so flippin' weird, bro. What the hell? Alright, gang, as you've seen, the pit bike, she ain't running good. She ain't running the same how she used to be. I have no clue what's wrong with her. She's bogging out. I feel like I've done everything besides like be inside the motor, like the valves and stuff. So it's definitely a sad day. For some reason, first gear, like, it's perfectly fine. First gear, it rips and it doesn't bog out at all, really. And then once I get to second and third, especially high in the RPMs, as you've seen in the video, it sort of just goes like it's on and off, which sucks. But hopefully Thumpstar can hook it up with a new motor, or one of you guys can tell me what's actually wrong with it. Yeah, it's just a bummer, bro, because like this is such a fun freaking bike. So if anything, maybe I'll have to put just a different motor into it, maybe like a Lifan, or I don't know yet, bro. Let me know down below what I should do, or maybe I should just get a whole nother pit bike. I don't know, bro. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. I read all the comments, so thank you for commenting, liking, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. And also, just checking out the merch store, bro. You don't even gotta buy nothing, just check it out. If there's something you like, you know, maybe cop it. It helps your boy out, you know, and it's cool to see MB Gang homies wearing the merch. But yeah, man, this is a little pit bike update. Nothing too crazy. I'm about to go film some crazy videos this weekend, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be some bangers. But yeah, stay motivated. Thank you guys so much for the support and watching these videos. It's amazing, man, and y'all have changed my life. So stay motivated. Till next time, we posting every other day. Let's get it, gang. Peace.
Bub.
Oh, I spilled my phone on me.
You have your phone in your pocket?
Sorry,
get your phone.
The keys.
My keys with me too, bro.
Wait. Pull his phone back out, dude. How's she looking? Oh, yeah, dude. She's an iPhone.